Alright, so here's how to find the ignition, starter, and 12-volt wire. Oh, and the horn as well on a 1998 Subaru Outback. Alright, so there are going to be two Phillips. One right here, and one over here. So there's going to be just a couple clips. Alright, so there's going to be a clip here, and a clip here. Alright, so your wires are going to be right here in this guy. So this black with yellow is going to be your 12 volt. This blue red right here is going to be your starter. This is going to be your starter, the blue red. And then the red is going to be your ignition right here. So it's pretty simple. They're all right here. I'll show you the horn wire later. So your horn wire is going to be this green with red wire right here. Let me just put that into focus right there.